Our keys go everywhere with us, so why not make sure they look and feel great? Fitting easily into your existing Ultian keys, Keycap lets you identify your keys quickly, with different colors for different doors or different colors for different people. It even comes in a new night bright option to make your keys easier to use at night and find in the dark. The ergonomic design and the hook to the side makes the Keycap easier and more comfortable to use, with the hook not being directly under your thumb. Alongside Keycap, Keyring is the perfect accompaniment. What happens when we lose our keys or our phone? If you've ever done either, you know how much of a pain it is, so why not track them? With Keyring, you can find your keys with a simple, free and easy-to-use app, sounding an alarm on your keys and showing you where they are on a map. Or, if you lose your phone, you can use your Keyring to sound an alarm to help you find it again, even if it's on silent. Keycap and Keyring. Cap your keys.